Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well, so today I just wanted to quickly share the latest coupon code for Pizza Hut. So, using these coupons on Pizza Hut is very simple. Just add the coupon codes on checkout page while ordering pizza and you get discount according to the term and condition of that coupon code. But before I show you the coupon codes, which is working right now, just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so whenever we upload video on best deals or latest coupon codes, you'll be notified. So please subscribe Coupon Zone YouTube channel. So now, here are the best coupon codes for Pizza Hut, which is working right now. If any of the coupon not work for you, please let me know in the comments section, so I try to find another coupon code for you. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in next one.